Children, today we learn about parts of plant and their function. Okay? Yes. Take it. What is this? This is plant. What is this? I have two types of plants. I have two types of plants. Okay? In this plant, this is root. Root. This is stem. This is flowers. This is okay. The roots are two types. Different types of root. You see, this is long and this is fibrous. These long roots are called taproot. Long root is called taproot and fibrous root is called this is fibrous root. In this root, fiber like your hair like structure. This is absorbed to the water from soil. Okay. The root is the main foundation of whole plant and the root is the main part of plant. Okay. This is under the soil. The root is absorbed to the water and minerals from the soil. When you see an experiment, this is the root. This is the root and this is radish and carrot. Let us see if in the experiment the colored water in the glass, if we poured in the glass after some hour, this is colored. You see? Colored. Why? Because it is absorbed to the water. Absorbed to the water, colored water. Absorbed to the colored water. And these two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root, instead of these roots, some roots, as for example in banyan trees, you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in banyan trees some hanging roots are shown. These roots are support to the whole plant. These roots are emerges by branches and which are penetrate in the soil. Okay, which is support to the whole plant. And you see money plant.
Yes, ma'am.
In the money plant, in the stems, after some places roots are bears which support to the money plant. When the money plant are climbing to the wall or wire. Okay, this is the experiment show to the absorption of water. Now we tell about stem. This is stem. Stem is the erect part of plant and it bears two branches. In this plant, it is branches and branches bears two leaves, flowers, and where is my food? Okay. Fruits. Okay. The main function of stem is it absorbs to the water and carries to the water, and when the root are absorbed to the water and minerals from soil, it carries to the whole part of plant, flowers and leaves. Now let us see our experiment. This is marigold plant and when we put after some hours, when cut with knife and cut with knife, in the second plant. Okay. In the magnifying, colored spot are shown. These colored spot are shown to the, this is the capillaries, as like capillaries, it carries to the water and minerals from root to the whole part. And the second role of stem is when the food are made by leaf, they carries to the whole part of plant. And the third portion of plant is leaf. What is this? Leaf. Why these are green color? Chlorophyll. In the presence of chlorophyll, the leaf are shown in the green color. The main part of leaf or the main function leaf are shown in many types, many shapes. But the main function of leaf are photosynthesis, means cooking food. Okay, photosynthesis, respiration and transpiration. At first, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You know? You tell? What is photosynthesis? No. Photosynthesis is the process of food making of plant. In the photosynthesis, in the presence of sunlight, which is give to the energy, and atmospheric carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by the upper part of leaf, stomata, and absorbing water. And the fourth factor is chlorophyll. Okay, 4 factors next to the made food. When the food making of plant, the food in the form of glucose, and they discharge to the oxygen. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. And when in the respiration, the stomata are help to the respiration, inhale to oxygen and exhale to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. At last, we know about flowers. In the flowers, the green part are called calyx and the attractive part are called corolla. This is called corolla. And the two main part of reproductive organs are the female part. This is female part and male part. This is female part. And male part, this is male part, colored part are, this is male part and this is female part, which produce to the fruit. The main function of flowers is make the food. Fruit. Okay? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
First, what is photosynthesis? Any children describe this? Any children? You? Okay.
In the presence of sunlight.
Please speak loudly.
In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water, leaves made their food and photosynthesis.
Any young children? You? Come on. Come here.
In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, leaves make their food. This process is called photosynthesis.
Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll is present in leaf. Chlorophyll is present in leaf and stomata is present in the lower surface of leaf. And plant take absorbing water from root and atmospheric carbon dioxide made to their food, and this process is called photosynthesis. Okay.